All right, we're live with lesson 21. It's just Brandy and I here today. I don't know. We're missing Samantha. Don't know where she went.
The real bummer today.
Yes. It's all dreary here today. It's been sunny, like over 75 maybe over
hmm
the weekend, and then it's all dreary and it's just
Yeah,
starting
that's
to
how it
rain out
was
here.
here too. It was like super nice all weekend. And
Yeah.
isn't today like technically the first day of spring or something like
Tomorrow. I think tomorrow is. I thought it was the 21st. No, I could be
You're
wrong.
probably right. I
My
don't know.
sister's birthday's on the 21st, and it's usually the first
Mm,
day of spring.
yeah, that's probably true. Okay. So, first question. The
Oh,
correlation
nope.
coefficient.
I have to
What?
I have to correct myself that you are correct. It says today is the spring equinox. So you are right. It is today.
Yeah, it's only because there was
Sorry.
a Snapchat filter this morning that
Oh.
said "Happy first day" or something. That's super lame.
Good old Snapchat.
Yeah. Uh,
Okay.
okay. The correlation coefficient is used to quantify.
I put the second one so far, but I was trying to verify that, and I haven't been able to do that yet.
Correlation coefficient is a number that is used to measure the direction and strength of the linear
Okay.
association between two variables.
Oh, there it is. Okay. I was just getting under 2.1.3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Direction and
Strength.
strength.
So I think it's the one above that. Is that right? I have to go back to it. Yeah, the first one.
What?
Wait.
I
Oh,
think.
of the linear. Yeah, third one. Sorry.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, you're good.
All right. Sorry, I'm trying to get that in my notes. So it'll be something I want to hang on to.
You're good.
All right. Um, if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, negative. So if one decreases, if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases. So if would that be
Um, let me.
well if they both increase then it wouldn't be negative, right? So wouldn't have to do the opposite.
I
I'm not
don't
feeling
know.
very confident in my math right now for that terrible test.
When an
Although
increase. What? Go ahead.
I was gonna say, although I guess I did like about class average, so I did class average, but still doesn't make me very happy.
I'm average.
That's good.
So this is saying when an increase in one variable is associated with a decrease in the other variable, we say there is a negative association between the two variables.
Yeah, so that would be, yeah, so that's what I was thinking. The other variable is negative, or would the other variable decrease?
That's what I think. The first
The
one,
decrease?
the other,
Okay.
I think so.
Okay. What's the
The
current?
effect of outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant. True or false?
So isn't that false because the effect of that on a correlation coefficient?
Yeah, this says notice how 1 point can influence the correlation coefficient.
Yeah, because they were talking about how you can take that one outlier out, and then see if it's and then check it, because it'll say that R could be really high or really low based on an outlier. So you have to look at the scatter plot. You can't just go by the data. Okay. So that's gonna be okay. For the next two questions, take the Old Faithful SAB data file and compute the correlation coefficient of the duration and weight. I did not have that open yet. I did have my. Mine's still trying to open.
Gotta love that.
Color SPSS. So, analyze, correlate by variate. Would we put in both variables?
I would think
I think we put in both, yeah.
Do we change anything or just do okay?
I'm wondering about that. I'm looking at my notes to see what I put in there. Oh, I guess not. It doesn't say anything. Okay, because I was looking at the options and I was like, do we need that?
Yeah.
Cross product deviation, though. I think we just do that. What is this? Pearson, Kendall's tub, and Spearman, two-tailed. I'm just gonna go with what's already marked. I'll just figure it out, I guess.
Yeah.
So input the correlation coefficient. So the correlation coefficient is the 0.901.
Yeah. Well, what's the difference between waiting time and the eruption duration?
What is the direction and strength? So we need to look at the scatter plot. We need to do a scatter plot on that.
Oh.
Yeah, they kind of didn't say that part. Hold on. Let me go back to my notes. Graphs, legacy dialogues, and then scatter dot. Are they asking us to do a specific? I don't think it matters, right?
I don't think so.
Oh gosh. I just forgot what I just said. Graph, legacy dialogues, and scatter dot. Okay.
So then would our x-axis be the waiting time and the eruption is the y?
When I'm clicking on the, no, I think it says, I'm going to go back to the, see what it says. For the next two questions, and data file and compute the correlation coefficient of duration and weight. Let's just do duration first and then weight. I don't think do it in the order it says. Okay. Duration. And then I guess for the title, we would just put duration and weight.
Yeah.
They do not really give us a whole lot of detail on this, do they?
No.
Oh.
Because that doesn't really tell us our correlation coefficient, does it?
What is our correlation coefficient, isn't that the 0.901?
Yes.
So now we got to do, so it's definitely positive. So would it be positive and strong based on our number? Correlation.
Yeah. I would say so.
Okay. Yeah, because it's kind of I mean, it's not like all over the place. It seems to be consistent. All right, I'm gonna put positive and strong then. Match the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient. Oh, it's trying to say, what does ours look like? 2. Yeah.
Yeah, but we have to do like r equals -1, match them up.
Oh, okay. Match the scatter plot. What? This is ridiculous.
But I'm very confused by that.
Okay, so number 1 is going to have to be 1. Because that's positive and very, like, it's all on the same line.
Yeah.
So the third
R
one I
equals
think is 1. Yeah.
Okay.
And then the second one, it's going to be positive as well, but it's not quite. We could do number 4 is 0. Or is it -1? Number 4 might be negative because it's negative and linear.
I think that 4 is -1 and then maybe 3 is 0.
Okay. Yeah, that one's all over the place. Okay.
Because there's no strong.
There's no correlation. Yeah.
Right. So then 2 would be 0.95.
Yeah.
Because it's going.
It's going up in positive, but it's and it's linear. Let's see. So 5 is probably going to be the negative 0.95.
That's what I think, yeah. And then 6 is -0.6.
Yes, because it's kind of similar to 3, but it's not, there's more of a line there. It's more linear than that one. Okay.
Yeah.
Just 6. All right. For the next 2 questions, take the math self-efficacy data file and compute the correlation coefficient score in confidence. Confidence. I don't want to do the confidence. Are we done with that already?
For real.
All right. Analyze, correlate. Okay, what are we taking on that?
Okay. So.
And then I would think that we were probably going to do the chart as well, so might as well go in there.
Yeah, because number 10 is asking if it's strong or whatever.
Yeah.
So do you do it the same way you do analyze, correlate, bivariate?
Yeah.
And you just do the score? Or you do them both again?
Let's see. I think we do them both again. Because that's what we're doing. I think we're doing all bivariate stuff, right? So yeah, because
Yeah.
it's correlating if the confidence and the score are
Mhm.
confidence and the score correlate. Okay. So 0.728.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
What direction and strength between the score and confidence? Let me go back. So it's would you say that it's not weak? So I guess we have to go positive and strong.
That's what I would think, especially like, I don't know, like, is anything above 0.5
Yeah, that's what
strong?
I'm wondering. Yeah.
Yeah, because that would make sense, but and especially like the ones we just saw, you know,
Right.
0.6
Yeah.
still seems like it's
It's still strong. Yeah.
yeah.
All right.
Mhm.
I'll go ahead and submit it.
Okay.
Let's see what we got here. Yes, we got them all right.
Woohoo!
100%.
Good job.
That is super nice.
For real.
All right, let me stop the live broadcast.